Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the EdTech Explorer. My name is Romeo, your Google Workspace for Education Certified Trainer from the Philippines. Ayan, and if it's your first time here to our channel, welcome. Ayan, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll know our latest events and videos. Ayan, and of course po, meron din po kaming Facebook page called the EdTech Explorer. Ayan. So make sure to like and follow us as well, ha? So you'll always be updated. Ayan. So maraming salamat po in advance. Ayan. And for today's episode, we'll be teaching you the basics of Adobe Premiere. Alright? And for this tutorial, I'll be utilizing Adobe Premiere CS6. Alright? Although please take note that there are already higher version of Adobe Premiere Pro. However, because of the limitations of my device, the latest version cannot be installed in my laptop. But, however, okay, the things that I'll be sharing to you can still be utilized. Alright, can still be utilized with the other versions of Adobe Premiere. Regardless of the version that you have on your laptop, alright, you can still utilize the things that I'll be sharing to you. Alright, so let's start. How to create and set up your Adobe Premiere file. Alright, so of course, just like in any other applications, the first thing that you need to know is how to create your file first. Alright, so if you open Adobe Premiere, usually you'll always have a splash screen just like what you are looking at right now, and all you have to do is just to look for this button, new project. So all you have to do is just to click on this, and a pop-up window will appear on your screen. Okay, so when you save your Adobe Premiere file, make sure you save that in the disk which has the highest or has the biggest storage space. Alright, because sometimes when you do, or not sometimes, but most of the time when we do video editing, it will really need a big storage. So please make sure that you save it in your disk that has the largest space size. Alright, so, for the location, just click browse. Alright, and then you look for the file or the folder where you want to save your file. And for this one, I'll be saving it here at Adobe Premiere Pro Basics folder, and then I will just click select folder. Ayan. And then for the name, you can type the name of the file that you like. And for this one, I'll be just typing this one, EdTech Explorer Premiere Pro demo. Alright, so this is the file name that I'll be using for this particular activity. Alright, and then after that, but of course, make sure that the name of your project is descriptive as much as possible. And then after doing that, all you have to do is just click OK. And then once you click OK, it depends on the version that you have. It will ask you the sequence presets. Alright, now please take note. Alright, please take note that you can set the sequence preset using the presets or using the settings. You can modify it here now, but usually based on experience, you don't have to really worry about that much. Alright, because what happens is that whatever video that you're going to upload in Adobe Premiere, it will adapt the video size or the video dimension that you have uploaded in the timeline. For this demo, okay, I will just use the sequence presets and using the DVNTSC widescreen 48. So this is the setup that I'll be using. But later, okay, later, it will be resized according to the video that we're going to upload in the timeline. Alright, so stay tuned. I will be explaining that later. And then after that, you can leave the sequence name as it is. And then all you have to do is just click OK. And once you click OK, what will happen is that you'll be landing in this workspace of Adobe Premiere. And that's how we create and set up our Adobe Premiere file. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the EdTech Explorer. So maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!